from the heart of the river Niger, where culture sails with pride and tradition dances on water, comes a festival like no other. The Ogbaru people, known for their fertile lands, rich harvests, and warm spirit, open their hearts once again to celebrate unity, heritage, and the rhythm of the river. Feel the thrill of boat racing, the beauty of swimming, the joy of dancing, and the colors of our rich cultural display, all at the Ogbaru Boat Carnival 2025. Come taste our food, feel our rhythm, and join our pride. The Ogbaru Boat Carnival 2025, proudly sponsored by the Honorable Nonso Nwabali Foundation.
Semeki mazifeneme asinga kola madu okwanu eje koneku asinga kola madu ano mofumo weli feneme asinga kola madu okwanu eje koneku asinga kola madu echukwu okike na ba fenele asinga kola madu okwanu eje koneku asinga kola madu ano moriro weli feneme asinga kola madu okwanu eje koneku imana kawaba oh bidegogwe oh paitewe oh digorogo oh hawaba oh bebe go oh febe go fa na ba go you dey play you dey show e man na dey matcha so we dey work we dey ball e man e karaka anytime we show obolo